to another video installing the Volkswagen Superbeetle. Now in this episode, we have taken the door all apart. The glass is out of it, the trim's out of it, the door panels, everything. It's ready to be sanded, primed, and wet sanded.
And then painted.
And then painted finally. I'm ripping off the plastic from the inside of the door panels. That way we can get to all these screws that we need to take out windows.
Yeah. But it shouldn't take that longer to be very hard. Because all you gotta do is just off.
And look, you can look down here, there's the window.
Yep. There we go. Looks like that one's been glued on over there. And this is a very messy process.
It is. This whole thing's a messy process. There we go.
Yeah, so that's all the plastic off of this door.
Mm-hmm.
And now Destiny's going to try to unscrew some bolts on the door. So there's different pieces.
They're all different.
You're okay. She decided to move to this one because this one might be easier.
Oh, there that one is.
Yeah, so the paint is tied on there, and it made it, the screws kind of hard to get out. But it should be easy to break the paint. Not hard for you though.
What, you want to try it?
Nah, I'll let you do it.
Not holding it very strong.
Oh, I'll have to force it against you. But the paint, they didn't paint it very good, so it got everywhere. So these screws are very hard to get out now. Oh yeah. So what does these screws hold me? Okay. So that's one of them. Second one shouldn't be that hard.
I don't know if we'll need that one or not.
Probably not.
Let me get this one off.
We tried to use a propane torch, but however, it did not work.
It's out!
Yeah, she finally got it out of the door, the window. Further, how are we going to get the rest of the door done?
I'm gonna have Daddy get.
So are you trying to take like the...
Off the door handle.
Oh, okay. That makes so much more sense. Plus the paint's also coming off with it.
I don't know how he was able to get. There we go.
Finally got the door handle out, and she took all the rubber encasing off.
Now this is the door latch, and this will have to be taken out too. It's held together by 4 screws. I don't know why they're so hard to get out. Don't act like that didn't pop up.
I'm already done with it now.
Now you can speak through this part.
Yeah. So she had to get her dad help her pop those out, them up. Yeah, using muscles to unscrew them so she could unscrew them the rest of the way. But she's finally getting them, whatever that is, some sort of door stopper or lock or whatever. She could get that out. having a hard time on that one too?
Now you quit making fun of me.
Well, I mean, it looks
You
like
couldn't even get them out.
That
You
doesn't-
have no room to talk.
that doesn't prove nothing.
I hate these screws.
Well, I'm sorry. Hate is kind of a strong word because they're also very helpful on keeping the vehicle together completely for a very long time. Pretty helpful holding together. Yeah, so
They're
hate.
blessing and a curse.
Oh,
Can
they
you help me
didn't.
with this last screw?
This one's ready. Well, this one's about to be ready. Take them off for one. You gotta take off that handle for this thing to come out. So we had to do it in that order. Yeah, so this door is supposed to look like that door over there with absolutely nothing on it. You almost have it. Yeah, so you have to, what you have to do.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
The seals and everything?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think they just pop out.
Well, something just popped out. Does that handle even come off?
Yeah, all this comes off. Probably what this is actually attached to. Yeah, a new model. Oh, this is so dry water.
Ew.
Oh.
You almost got it.
Do you have to use a flathead screwdriver to get some of this out?
Yeah.
That's what I was missing. Do we need the silver around the...
No, you got blue.
Okay, that's what I thought. Look. It kind of chips off.
The paint just chips off.
I've got a scrape on my finger.
It might have come with new ones, I'm not sure.
But you want to save them just in case.
Hell, did you? See them clips that's on that? Held that. So now you got a screw right there. It's gotta come out.
Phillips or?
Yeah.
I can probably do it. Maybe. Well, we finally finished getting the doors all apart. We finally got the screw out from up here that was giving us some trouble. But this will be all for this episode, and we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.